Alright, here we are at the vending machines. Oh my gosh. Everything. Here's 75 cents. No, I'm not getting Laffy Taffy.
Why?
Ooh, look.
Wait, that's 75 cents?
Wow.
Wow.
I guess I can get something. Oh look, there's candy for $1.25.
Can I get
the flavor twisted honey barbecue? Yeah.
Oh, you never know. I can't believe you're getting $1.
What are you doing? Alright, so the number is 12. Punch it in.
I swear if it gets stuck.
Okay, so I'm gonna get. What am I gonna get?
Something good.
Something good, that's for sure.
The Laffy Taffies are the most expensive.
I might end up getting two things. I don't know. I'll get Katie caramel creams because I know she wants that. So we're gonna get 47 for Katie. Focus.
Nice.
That's for Katie. For me, I'm gonna get. What am I gonna get? I might end up getting some nacho cheese. I actually might get some pretzels. That is number 24. That's 75 cents exact, so I'll get change. Order. And let's see here. What do you think Livy will want? No, I think. Oh wait. I think I'll just ask her.
Yeah.
So that'll be it, guys. There's the vending machine video. And it's also a sewing machine. So bye.
Bye.
Alright, we're back. But with my sister this time. Hey, wait. Are you gonna pay for it?
Well, I'm gonna get the Laffy Taffy. Wait, what's that called?
It's 47. Get anything for like 75 cents? Or $1.
Okay.
So what are you gonna get? Here, let me put it in the dollar.
Hey, wait until I make my decision.
Well, I'm gonna put it in anyways. What number are we getting today? Oh, you're getting the same thing as Jack.
Yeah.
Well, that's it, guys. So again, this is at where's this at, Jack?
It's at
Radman Hotel.
And it's at a vending machine. Dude, look at the bottoms. I know. Did you show them the bottoms of the vending machines? Show them all the vending machines. This is a car shape. Yeah, it's like not a shape, but like car side. It's Kentucky Speedway theme. What's a peanut bar? Peanut bar.
Ooh, there's some buddy bars too.
Yeah.
Yep. So we're getting Hollow Topic. There's also a BG12. I know we're getting a little off. Gen 6 Commander 1. How much are all this? $2.50?
No, that's a apple juice.
Oh. I wonder how much 25 is. Maybe. $2.
$2.
Yeah. Alright. See you there, guys.